Hey guys, Andrew Esquivel here, back with another review, and today we are going to be reviewing the Sushi Bazooka from Sushido. So, we make sushi rolls all the time here for dinner, and when I heard about this little thing called the Sushi Bazooka, I decided it might be worth trying out. Instead of using one of those traditional wood rolls, you roll it up. This is kind of a little bit of a different method now. Some people like it. Some people hate it, but let's try it out. We got some nishiki rice, which we use for sushi. So we're supposed to pack in a ½ pound of rice on each side. Yeah, actually a ½ pound, they said.
I thought it said ½ cup.
Half cup? You might be right. Okay. ½ cup. You might be okay. Yeah, okay. Sam's right. ½ cup. I derped there for a second, so we're just kind of packing it in here. We do this to both sides because it's got two sides, as you can see, and we're going to try and make our own little California rolls because we got some crab leg, some avocado, some cream cheese, and
we also have carrot and shrimp.
Yes, we also got carrot and shrimp because we kind of do our own thing when it comes to sushi, you know. But a California roll's ingredients obviously depends on where you get it, but its ingredients are usually kind of similar and usually has those main three pieces. So, and these reviews that I've read said really do pack it in. They really do mean it. Ooh, that is hot, but it's fresh sushi rice, so of course, what do you expect? Okay, so if we come closer here, we've got the sushi in here, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take this part and really kind of squish it down here, because this is going to create the cavity inside of the roller in which we put our ingredients. So it takes a minute to kind of really figure out. And these two pieces eventually will go together. So now you can see we've got kind of this little divot inside here. And what we're going to do is going to take our crab legs and we're going to open this up right here. Now this is just imitation crab meat, but obviously whatever you decide to use, you go ahead and do whatever you want. Imitation crab meat just happens to be a little less expensive. So we can put this crab meat in this crevice and kind of voila. Although we don't need this little last piece right here. But kind of just doing this as we go. So I've never actually used the Sushi Bazooka, so this is my first time using it. So first impressions, you only get one chance to make one, right? So that is the crab portion. And now what we'll do is we'll scoop some avocado and kind of just place it along the inside here. I know I could be doing a better job of this avocado, but just kind of winging it. Let's say you really like avocado. Well, then there you go. Just use a lot of avocado. Try and get it in like a straight line, I guess. And although this is not the most professional job, I'm sure, those of you who make sushi a lot more than I do are probably screaming at me, why do you put the avocado in there like such? And just because I'm just going for it, man. And then we got some cream cheese. Let's try a little bit of cream cheese inside of there. Switch over to our last spoon. And
we have more spoons than that, just not out.
Yeah, so I'm just going to put in this cream cheese. Just kind of try and make it as straight of a line as possible. We're not going to put a ton of cream cheese in here because we are going to cut this up. All right, so let's say that's our ingredients, right? And now we want to do this. We got to get our little plunger lined up here, and supposed to kind of, there's these two little hinges that go together. Supposed to.
You're going to drop the plunger.
Yeah. Now this is a little awkward.
More space.
Let's see if. Nope. See, we didn't quite really get the plunger in here right. And
oh,
well, it sort of kind of works.
That side didn't clip in.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this side didn't clip in right.
There we go.
And if we try and fix our mistake here quickly, maybe it won't come out so weird. Now, it's got these locks. Keep it locked in like that, right? All right, so let's move some ingredients out of the way. Sam, if you'd be so kind as to move stuff. I need the plate.
that was loud.
Yeah, well, that's
Life.
plates for you. Okay. Beer. So we get our nori. Now let's see how the sushi bazooka works here.
You're not supposed to compress it with that?
You are. So initially you turn it.
I meant with the cap.
I didn't read anything about using the cap.
I didn't read this one.
I think the cap is just for storage.
No, cap goes on for food.
Does it really?
It's 10.5. By the thumb.
Okay, so I guess that allows us to kind of compact it.
Listen to that.
5 full turns, it says.
5 full turns. Well, oh, it really did compact it. I'll tell you that much. So we compacted it, and now if we go slow, heyo,
Gotta go fast.
gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
I'm not Sonic the Hedgehog.
You're not?
Hey, look at that. Hey, you know what? That's not bad. Take a look. Get an angle from here. Kind of focus in on that. You know, for a random shot that I kind of messed up initially, that's really not half bad. You know, the only weird part is over here, which, you know, kind of was more my fault with packing. But okay, so realistically, a lot of people say that it takes like 1 or 2 tries to get it just right, and you know, we're right at the edge of the nori here, but obviously it sticks, and you want to go slow because your nori is at some level at this point still really dry. You don't want to crack the nori.
Why didn't you moisten it?
Well, the rice, since it itself is moist, moistens it. You just got to go slow, and then you wait just a wee bit for it to finish moistening up, and you got yourself a gigantic sushi roll, or as I like to call it, an Asian burrito. And look at that. That's actually not half bad, just given the first attempt. So I guess, all things considered, the sushi bazooka seems to work. So we're going to enjoy this, and I hope this little review and first-time demonstration was helpful in your decision on whether or not you want to get a sushi bazooka. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, show your friends, check out my other videos. I got plenty of them. As always, I'll see you next time.